Hi guys and welcome to Guide Nation. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add TubeBuddy extension to Chrome. So first of all, navigate to Google Chrome. So there are two ways of adding TubeBuddy's extension to your Google Chrome. The first one is go to the search bar and type in TubeBuddy and hit enter. After you search for TubeBuddy, you will see this website that is www.tubebuddy.com. Click on this website. You will see TubeBuddy's webpage. On this web page, you will see download extension option at the top right corner that will be highlighted in red. Click on this and you will automatically be promoted to Chrome Web Store. So this is Google Chrome's web store. Here you'll have to simply click on add to Chrome and click on add extension. When you click on add extension, you can see the extension is getting downloaded on my PC. After you click on download extension, TubeBuddy will automatically be added to your Google Chrome. Now you can see your download is ready. So we have added the TubeBuddy's extension to our Chrome. And after doing that, we can create an account, add to our channel so you can grow your channel, you can increase your views and gain advanced insights into your YouTube channel with TubeBuddy's extension. So you'll have to simply click on create it. Now sign in with Google and enter your credentials and you'll be logged into your TubeBuddy's webpage. And after you sign in, you will have to add your channel to TubeBuddy, and after that, you would have successfully added TubeBuddy extension to your Google Chrome. Now, the second way to do this is simply searching for Chrome Web Store in the search bar. Hit enter and click on Chrome Web Store. Now you'll be promoted to this page that will be Chrome's web store. Here you'll have to search for the extension that is TubeBuddy and hit enter. Now you'll see TubeBuddy. And as I've already installed this extension, I will not see the install button. But you will see the install button just right here if you still doesn't have TubeBuddy installed on your Chrome. So access TubeBuddy extension with Chrome Web Store or through their official website and you'll be able to download it pretty easily from Chrome Web Store. So that's how you download TubeBuddy's Chrome extension. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.